Good morning, children. Welcome to today's English class. Children, from the last 2-3 classes, we are doing the chapter 2, that is true friendship, isn't it? So, under this chapter, in the first class of this chapter, we finished the warm-up activity and we came to know the story of Krishna and Sudama and their friendship. In the second class, I read the lesson. Then, in third class, I explained the lesson also, isn't it? So, from this story, true friendship, the story of here we learned the two stories. We came to know the two stories. One is Krishna and Sudama stories, friendship stories, and another one is Pithias and Demon story, isn't it? So, from both the story, what did we learn, children? We learned that what are the qualities we should develop. If you want to become a good friend, you have to develop some good qualities. So, you have to keep your friend promise, isn't it? So, you should be loyal to your friend. Everything you have to do, you should develop the helping nature, helping quality. So, how to maintain a good friendship, relationship, good friendships, isn't it? So, you should ready to sacrifice your life for the sake of your friend also. So, that such friendships are called as a good, true or good friendship or true friendship. Okay. So, as I already told you in the last class, in the today's class, I am going to do a textbook activity, isn't it, children? So, please, all of you open your textbook. I hope you have understood the story and you know the moral of the story, and hope you will follow that one in your life. Okay. So friendship is very, very important, children, because we can't live alone. If we want to share our feelings, joy, everything, we need a friendship. Isn't it? Everything we can't share with our family members. So that's why we need a friend. So what type of friend you should be? You should have, children, true friend, good friend, who guides you, who take you to in the path of a good path or good way, isn't it? So please, while selecting or while choosing a friend, be careful, children. So they should be well wisher for you. Okay? Yes. Please open your textbook, children. Today we are going to do our textbook activities based on my explanation. I hope you already understood the story. You know the story. Everything we have understood. So based on my explanation, I am going to ask some questions, children. You have to answer for that. So page number 16, vocabulary. So V means vocabulary. V1, first exercise, V1. So this is not a 6, V1. V means vocabulary 1. First one, what they are given? Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So here some words are given in the box. So first I will read that words, later we will go to the fill in the blanks. Okay, what words they are given? Let's see, children. Delayed, evil-minded, promises, break his word, imprisoned, delighted. So here some words are given in the bracket. So below that they are given the fill in the blanks. So you have to choose the correct word from the bracket and you have to fill in the blanks. You have to write the correct word in the blanks. First question, children, I am going to read. Dionysus was an dash ruler. So what type of ruler Dionysus was, a children? Evil-minded. Very good. Dionysus was a evil-minded. So you have to write evil-minded word in the blank. So Dionysus was a evil-minded ruler. Dionysus was an evil-minded ruler. So take out your pencil and write in your textbook, children. So for first blank, you have to write evil-minded. Dionysus was an evil-minded ruler. Very good. So the words are given in the bracket. We have to choose the correct one. We have to write in the blanks. Second one. We move to the second one. Demon was to be dashed until Pithias returned. Demon was to be dashed until Pithias returned. Demon वापस बरोवरगू Pithias वापस बरोवरगू demon ने ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? Imprison ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕೊಂಡು ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? imprison ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So you have to write imprison. ಅವನ್ನ ಒತ್ತೆಯಾಗಿ imprison ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. imprison. So ಅವನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. imprison. So demon was to be imprisoned until Pithias returned. Pithias ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮದುವೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಳಾಗಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೆಮನ್. ಥರ್ಡ್, Pythias faced many dangers while he was returning and was dashed. So Pythias ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ while returning he faced many dangers. So that's why he was delayed. So ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, delay means ತಡವಾಗುತ್ತೆ, delay. So you have to write the word delay ಅಂದರೆ ತಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, delay. Fourth one, Demon was sure that his friend would never dash. So Demon ಗೆ ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ತನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ನ ಮರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾತನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಮಾತಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮುರಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ಡೆಮನ್. ಸೊ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವ್ನು ಬರಲು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಡೈ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಡೈ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಸಾಯೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ Pythias. Okay, next, Pythias and Demon kept their dash. So at last both of them were kept their promises. So king again promised ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, Demon promised that until Pythias returned I will stay here. Pythias told at correct time, what time you have fixed, at time I will reach here ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. So both of them kept their promises. So that's why the king was happy and he said that both of them keep promises. We are in my destinies. ಇಬ್ಬರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡು. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಹ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನ್ V2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Write T for correct and F for incorrect sentences in the space provided. Correct and rewrite the incorrect sentence. So here some statements are given, children. If the statement was given here, if it is right, you have to put T for correct one. If the sentence or statement is wrong, you have to put F means false. And you have to correct the sentence and you have to rewrite the false sentence again. ಅದಾಯ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ T ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ, T ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ತಪ್ಪಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ F ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Demon and Pythias were lovers of truth. First one, Demon and Pythias were lovers of truth. So ಸತ್ಯನ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಅವರು ಸತ್ಯನ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. Whether this statement is right, true or false, children? True. So you have to put T. Okay. Second one, Dionysus was a kind ruler. Dionysus was a kind ruler. Correct? True or false? False. Very good. So Dionysus is a what type of ruler? Cruel, evil-minded ruler. So you have to rewrite the sentence. So Dionysus is a evil-minded ruler. So what is a kind ruler? ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಾಜ. So ದಯೆ ಕರುಣೆ ಇರೋ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Correct? False. What is the correct sentence? You have to rewrite. Dionysus was a evil-minded ruler. Evil-minded ruler. Dionysus is a evil-minded ruler. So you have to put false and you have to rewrite it again. So ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Next, third one. Demon wanted to settle his family affairs before he died. So Demon wanted to settle his family affairs before he died. So Demon ಸಾಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು ತನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. True or false? False. Because who? Here Demon wanted to settle on the boat. It's wrong. Pythias wanted to settle his family affairs before he died. Now Pythias ತಾನೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಸಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ತಂಗಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ sister marriage arrange ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ Demon ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, so that's why it's a false. So you have to write Pythias wanted. Pythias. Pythias wanted. Pythias wanted to settle his family affairs. Pythias wanted to settle his family affairs before he died. So Pythias and Demon. So I am before he died. So I am ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಪರಿಹರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾರು Pythias. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ Demon ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, so you pause, then you rewrite the sentence. Fourth one. The king was sure that Pythias would return. The king was sure that Pythias would return. Whether it is true or false? False. So Demon was sure. So Pythias and the king was sure. So Rajan ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತ Pythias ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದವನು? No. ಯಾರು ನಂಬಿದ್ದು? Demon. Okay. So write here and rewrite. Demon was sure. Demon was sure that Pythias would return. Pythias would return. Demon ನಂಬಿದ ಏನು Pythias ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಅಂತ. king ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, so you have to write F and you write the correct sentence. Demon was sure that Pythias would return. Fifth one. Demon was ready to die for his friend. True or false? Yes, true. Demon was ready to die for his friend. So Demon ತನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಗೆಳೆಯಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಾಯಲು ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದ. True. Sixth. Pythias reached in time to save his friend. So Pythias reached in time. So Pythias reached in time to save his friend. Yes, true. So yes, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. So late ಆಯಿತು, but ಆದರೂ ಸಹ before he came. So you will write true. So Pythias reached in time before he died. To save his ತನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯನ ಕಾಪಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಓಡೋಡಿ ಬಂದ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಲೇ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ತನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೀಚ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಟೈಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಹೆನ್ಷನ್. Comprehension, that means question and answers. Okay, answer the following questions. First one. So I will not write on the board, children, just orally I will give the answers for the questions. So later I will send the notes, you copy down it from. Okay, first, where did Demon and Pythias live? Where did Demon and Pythias live, children? Demon and Pythias lived in the city of Syracuse. Demon and Pythias lived in the city of Syracuse. Second question. Who was the ruler of Syracuse? Who was the ruler of Syracuse? Who was the ruler? Yes, Dionysus was the ruler of Syracuse. Why did the king want to punish Pythias? Why did the king want to punish Pythias? ಸೊ ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಾಜ ಡೈನಾಸಿಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್ಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು? ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪನಿಷ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅವನು ರಾಜನ ಕ್ರೂರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾನೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವನ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪನಿಷ್ಡ್. Fourth one. What did Pythias wish to fulfill before he died? What did Pythias wish to fulfill before he died? So Pythias ಆಸೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ ಸಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಪೂರೈಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Before he died, Pythias wished to arrange his sister's marriage and bid goodbye to his mother. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Before he died, Pithias wished to arrange his sister's marriage and bid goodbye to his mother. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಸಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ತನ್ನ ತಂಗಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ತನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಲೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಲೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ರಾಜ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್ ವಿಶ್, ಸೊ ನೀನು ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸಬೇಕು, ನೀನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನೀನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪುಟ್? ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಕಿಂಗು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ನೀನು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡೇ ಮತ್ತು ಟೈಮ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಡೆಮನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಡೇಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀನು ಬರೋದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬದಲು ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡನ್ನು ಪನಿಷ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್. Why was Pithias delayed while returning? Why was Pithias delayed while returning? So return means ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Why? Yes, he had to face many problems. So he had to face many dangers and so he was delayed. So ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅಪಾಯಗಳನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's why he was late. So he has to face many dangers and he was delayed. Next, what did both the friends argue over? So ಇಬ್ರು ಏನು ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಏನು ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? both the friends means here Pithias and Demon. So both Demon and Pithias ಏನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? So it's in a textbook only. So first Pithias, when Pithias came to the court, he told that I have come, please do not kill Demon, I have come back to take my punish, please hang me. This was said by Pithias. Then Demon told, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged, so I have to be punished. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Pithias ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನೇ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಮನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ in the page number 15. Okay, next question. Why did the king set both of them free? Why did the king set both of them free? So ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಜ ಇಬ್ರು ಪನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ? Because the king had never seen such friendship. Both of them were kept their promise. And king was happy to know that such friendship still exists ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅವನು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಈಗಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿ ಅವನು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಲೆಟ್ ದಮ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೆಟ್ ದಮ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್, ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 16, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಡೈನಾಸಿಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. How do you know? C2. C means here comprehension. How do you know that Demon and Pithias were good friends? Give some examples from the story. So ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯಿಂದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಮನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಡೆಮನ್ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅವನು ವಿಶ್ನ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಗಿವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13. Demon enters the scene. Sir, I am Demon, a true friend of Pithias. Please let him go to fulfill his last wish. I will remain in your custody until he returns. So ಇದು ಡೆಮನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಡೆಮನ್ ಪಿಥಿಯಾಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ನಿಜವಾದ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯನ ವಿಶ್ನ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನೊಂದೇನು ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಪನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. So I will give you the answers. Okay, so just orally I am explaining. So these two examples shows that both were good and true friends. Okay, next, what made the king change his decision at the end? What made the king change his decision at the end? ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ರಾಜ ತನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಧಾರನ ಯಾಕೆ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, when both of them argue, so ಇಬ್ರು ಡೆಮನ್ and Pithias argue, So no, I will. So Demon told no. Instead of with yes, let him go free. Please hang me. So after listening this argument, so the king decided that he told I have never seen such friendship. So both of them have kept their promises, and I am very happy to see that still this type of friendship exists. So that's why he got them free. Elva set up free. So ಅದರಿಂದ ರಾಜ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನನ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಸಾಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಮನಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ಅವನು ಇಂಥ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರಾ, ಇಂಥ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗಿ ಇಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ discuss in pairs and fill in the table with the things that you find in your house. One is done for you. So here is one table is given here. What are the things you will kept in a particular room? For example, in drawing room, in kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. You have to write the things which you kept in bedroom, drawing room, kitchen, bathroom, etc. Okay. So look at this. So there one table is given. In each table they have given one name. So drawing room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. So in drawing room, what are the things you are going to keep? We kept sofa, table, chair. So in kitchen we kept stove, cooker, vessels. Anything, whatever things you kept in the drawing room, you have to write three things. Okay. So kitchen, one things they have already given. Other two examples you have to write. So in kitchen they have told stove will be kept. So we keep cooker or we keep refrigerator, oven, vessels, whatever you can write. In bathroom, soap they have already given. We kept brush, toothbrush, isn't it? Whatever you have to write. Next, bedroom, cot, pillow, bed. So whatever you have to write. Next, last, L2. Write about yourself in complete sentence. So some questions are given here. So you have to complete this one. My name is. So you have to complete. My name is. What your name? You have to write. My father's name. You have to write your father's name. You have to write your mother's name. You have to write your date of birth, then your place of birth and your school name. So you have to complete this table. So this is the exercise. Then in last L3 also there is a speech sounds given here. So speech sounds. You as in up. See that your teeth are kept well apart. Say. So speech practice is one. Okay, speech sounds. Get up early, take a tub. Scrub yourself and briskly rub. See here, speech is scrub, rub, tub. Mug of milk and buttered bun. Kiss your mother off you run. I say mug, not mob. Don't say tub. So this speech practice, how to pronounce the words here, practices. Okay, for tub, you get tub. Sometimes for mug, M-U-G, mug you have to write the spelling, M-U-G, mob, M-O-G. So you have to practice the pronunciation, how to pronounce. So there were some words are given children, you have to upon, punish, must, until, written, result. So you have to practice the pronunciation of some words children. So this is about the chapter True Friendship. So here in this class I have finished the textbook activities, the exercises also. So after this I am going to do a poem. One poem is on there based on the friends only. So poetry friends. In the next class I am going to do that poem. So here I have finished the warm-up activity. Also we have read the story of Sri Krishna and Sudama. Then we read the story of the two friends Dhaman and Vidyas, and we have finished the textbook activity also, everything. So what after this video, watching this video, what you have to do? You have to complete the textbook activities. Then we have to take out the pencils and fill all the blanks, whatever exercises are given in your textbook. You have to finish it. Later I will send you notes. You copy down to your English notes and write in English notes. Whatever I will send in WhatsApp, through WhatsApp, copy down that one into your English notes. Write neatly and sit and read it. Practice it. Okay. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Be safe. Stay at home.